The first step in making seitan is preparing the broth. We bring water to a boil with dried shiitake, some miso paste, fresh chopped ginger, soya sauce, and some kombu seaweed. All very umami ingredients. Next, we are making the dough for the seitan, and it's actually quite simple because it only consists of gluten powder, salt and water. As you will notice, gluten is very fond of water. The dough binds very quickly and becomes super tough. You must therefore work very quickly. In this example, we knead the dough by hand, but of course you can also use the dough hook of a food processor. The kneading will take about 2 or 3 minutes. Next we're going to cook the seitan in the broth. Because seitan doesn't have much taste of its own, you need to add flavor by slowly cooking it in a very aromatic broth. That's why it's very important to pay attention to the preparation of the broth. A tasteless broth will cause a tasteless seitan. Once the seitan is cooked, you can use it in all kinds of dishes. You can cut it into slices and bread them and fry them. You can cut the seitan very thinly and serve it in a noodle soup or pho. You can also chop seitan and use it as minced meat in a bolognese sauce.